Server-side programming forms the backbone of modern web development, enabling the creation of dynamic and interactive web applications. In this section, we'll delve deeper into the concept of server-side programming, exploring its fundamental principles, key components, and significance in the realm of web development. Server-side programming, also known as backend development, refers to the process of writing code that runs on the server side of a web application. Unlike client-side programming, which executes code in the user's web browser, server-side programming involves executing code on the server in response to client requests. This allows server-side applications to perform complex computations, interact with databases, and generate dynamic content that is then sent back to the client. One of the primary functions of server-side programming is to handle incoming requests from clients and generate appropriate responses. When a user interacts with a web application, such as submitting a form or clicking a button, their browser sends a request to the server. The server-side code then processes this request, executes any necessary logic or computations, interacts with databases or other external systems, and generates a response which is sent back to the client. Server-side programming languages provide developers with tools and frameworks for building robust and scalable web applications. These languages are typically more powerful and feature-rich than client-side languages, as they have access to resources such as databases, file systems, and network connections. Common server-side programming languages include Python, Java, PHP, Ruby, and Node.js, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and use cases. Server-side programming is essential for implementing business logic and data processing in web applications. It allows developers to create dynamic and interactive user experiences by generating content on the fly based on user input or application state. For example, an e-commerce website may use server-side programming to handle product searches, process payments, and manage user accounts. In addition to handling user requests, server-side programming is also responsible for managing application state and ensuring data integrity. Server-side applications often interact with databases to store and retrieve data, such as user profiles, product listings, and transaction records. Server-side programming languages provide built-in support for working with databases, making it easy to perform tasks such as querying data, updating records, and managing transactions. Overall, server-side programming plays a crucial role in the development of modern web applications, enabling developers to create powerful, scalable, and feature-rich software solutions. By leveraging server-side technologies, developers can build applications that meet the needs of users, businesses, and organizations across a wide range of industries. As the demand for dynamic and interactive web experiences continues to grow, server-side programming will remain an essential skill for web developers worldwide. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language that has gained popularity in recent years for its simplicity, readability, and extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. As a server-side language, Python is particularly well-suited for building web applications, APIs, and back-end services. One of Python's key strengths is its readability and expressiveness. Python's clean and concise syntax allows developers to write code that is easy to understand and maintain. This readability makes Python an excellent choice for collaborative development and for projects with large code bases. Python's extensive standard library and ecosystem of third-party packages provide developers with a wide range of tools and libraries for building web applications. Frameworks like Django, Flask, and Pyramid offer developers powerful abstractions and tools for building web applications quickly and efficiently. Java is a robust, object-oriented programming language that has been used for server-side development for decades. Java's popularity is driven by its platform independence, performance, and scalability, making it a popular choice for building enterprise-grade web applications and back-end services. One of Java's key strengths is its portability. Java applications can run on any platform that supports the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, making it an ideal choice for building cross-platform web applications. Java's strong typing system and compile time checking help catch errors early in the development process, leading to more robust and reliable code. Java's extensive standard library and ecosystem of frameworks, such as Spring Boot and Jakarta EE, formerly Java EE, provide developers with powerful tools for building scalable and secure web applications. These frameworks offer features such as dependency injection, aspect-oriented programming, and transaction management, allowing developers to build complex and highly performant applications. PHP is a server-side scripting language that was designed specifically for web development. It is known for its simplicity, ease of use, and wide adoption in the web development community. PHP syntax is similar to that of C and Perl, making it relatively easy for developers to learn and use. One of PHP's key strengths is its integration with web servers, particularly the Apache HTTP server and the Nginx web server. PHP scripts are executed on the server side, generating dynamic content that is then sent to the client's web browser. PHP's built-in support for database integration, session management, and file handling makes it well-suited for building dynamic and interactive web applications. Ruby is a dynamic, object-oriented programming language known for its simplicity, elegance, and productivity. It is particularly well-suited for building web applications with a focus on developer happiness and convention over configuration. Ruby's syntax is clean and expressive, making it easy to read and write code quickly. Ruby on Rails, often simply referred to as Rails, is a popular web application framework built on top of Ruby. Rails provides developers with a set of conventions, tools, and libraries for building web applications quickly and efficiently. It follows the convention over configuration principle, which means that developers can focus on writing application code rather than configuring the framework. Overall, each server-side language has its own strengths, weaknesses, and use cases. The choice of language depends on factors such as project requirements, developer expertise, performance considerations, and ecosystem maturity. By understanding the characteristics of each language and its suitability for different types of web applications, developers can make informed decisions when choosing the right tool for the job.